by.
Come back.
Oh, I wonder what happened. Maybe something was happening.
Ask him what happened that last scene.
Military police, he had a firearm, but he's allowed to carry it. Once we determine that he's legal allowed to carry it,
I thought they weren't allowed to have guns here in a gas station. In a safe area.
Something's happening. It looks like they're going all down now. Right now. Kind of looks like that he wasn't really rushing either, so I don't know. That's what I mean, Dale. That's what I mean.
sidewalk, that's great. How do we go around the block? I'm planning to crash out. Gentlemen, can we cross? Can we cross? Just go ahead.
If you guys want to walk up right in that gap right there, just pop on it.
That guy really tried to fight the security.
Yeah. And we're gonna be coming right here.
Look, this guy right here, he over here he got kicked out of the restaurant. And he gets his friend to come
You're with us now. You're with us. Yeah, they're going to jail, so.
Got your friend locked up.
They just talked to us. You, no, nothing, no. Let's go. Come on, let's go. No, he does not. No, anymore. We're going to Uber.
Everybody's cool.
Can I